Hi, I'm Graham from Inca Chartered Accountants. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money from VAT. VAT is all about your sales. The threshold is £73,000. If your rolling 12-month sales exceed that limit, you have to register for VAT. Now the key word in that is rolling. It doesn't operate on a one financial year to the next basis. It operates on a rolling 12 months. As soon as you tip over, you have to register. But what I'm interested in is registering early on a voluntary basis before your sales ever get anywhere near £73,000 a year. Why would you want to do that? Well, because in a lot of cases you can actually make a lot of money from it. If you're selling to other businesses and those businesses are VAT registered, then your sales are no more expensive now than they would be if you weren't VAT registered. But on the plus side, expenses you incur within the business suddenly become cheaper. There's lots of things that you may buy which have got VAT on them. Mobile phone bills, internet, computer equipment, desks and chairs, even, dare I say, accountant's bills. All of those things become cheaper if you're VAT registered. Now that can save you around about a sixth of the cost. When you add that up, over a quarter, over a year, that's quite a substantial saving, and that's extra profit to you. Money you don't have to go and generate in sales elsewhere. So when you're in a situation where you're selling to other businesses, think carefully about whether VAT registration nice and early would actually benefit you and make you some money. Now there's another line to the VAT side. If you happen to be in professional services, you maybe don't buy a lot month on month for your business. Maybe a bit of mobile phone, a bit of internet. There is a scheme called the flat rate scheme, and it's particularly useful for businesses who are in professional services, who don't have a lot of expenditure. It's also really easy to operate because you're only looking at the VAT on your sales. You can forget about the purchases side. It's all about calculating VAT on your sales and paying over a particular amount that's based on your profession. And that's the important bit. It's based on your profession. The rate you pay across is different from one type of business to another. Getting the right type of business can make you quite a bit of money every quarter. We have clients who are making £600, £1,000, £2,000 a quarter through nothing more than having the correct business type and being on the flat rate VAT scheme. That's money directly into your pocket, care of Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. Flat rate VAT isn't for everyone though. If you're selling overseas, it may not be beneficial to you, and if you're making losses, it probably isn't as well if your sales are particularly low. So you need to think carefully about the ratio of your purchases to your sales, and we can then decide which scheme is best for you. So what's the next step? Well, registering for VAT is relatively straightforward. It can be done online, it can be done by your accountant. The important thing is record keeping. But then you probably know that about running a business anyway. Keep your receipts. Whether you're on the flat rate scheme or not, get VAT receipts, VAT invoices, and keep a record of your income and your expenditure. And from that, reporting your VAT should be pretty straightforward. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can find out how much tax you have to pay.